Hey y'all, Tony here from Mountain Way Adventures. I'm doing an unboxing today. I ordered a whole bunch of junk online. Got a couple of tournaments coming up here soon and a fishing trip planned for this weekend. Y'all just bear with the camera work here. Like I said, I hadn't opened it yet. So. In lieu of a GoPro, I'm using my cellular device and it's a little bit harder to do it with. So we're going to see what all I got in the goodie bag. Y'all ready for this? First thing we see, Whoppy Ploppy, a 60, and I think it might be a, and that's number 28 bluegill, one of the few they had. I'm thinking this weekend I might take it up there as a bunch of grass and hoping that single travel hook don't hang in the grass. Apparently these things are like gold around here anymore. Couldn't find any weights. So these are just 1/16 ounce. This is the bigger weight I use. A bullet weight, a couple shroom heads. Because you never know. Oh, looky there. 1/16 ounce, 3/0. I like a 2/0, but 3/0 works with some of these bits I'm using. Weighted hook. Some more shroom heads. Ooh, y'all don't even see that, right? That's all I got to say about that. Well, we don't know about this one yet. Tennessee River Trimmer Heads. They're recommended by a guy I know. Made by Jinko Fishing. So we shall see. They're a jig head with a clear bill on them. Mostly for the lakes, I think. Buzzbait, imagine that. There's some small worm weights. Those are Eco Pro Tungsten, but they had them really cheap, and I think these are green pumpkin. Could be wrong, but I think it's what color they was. Some more hooks, some more sinkers. And now we're getting to some good stuff that I'll be using. Little Dipper June bugs from Reaction Innovations. Maybe not as much purple as I'd hoped for. Get some purple. Sometimes purple works. June bug. Turd. I didn't have any June bugs. Streaks Curly Tail. 4-inch and pearl. Indeed. I think that's going to be awesome. I'll throw that this weekend. Oh, looky here. Giant turds. So, I'm going to get one of these open here. Y'all just bear with me again. Y'all hold on. Alright, I'm back. Good grief. Look at the size of that turd. TRD. Good grief. I think pert near big around as my finger. I think it is big around my pinky. I think I can speed fish this thing is so big. That's the idea. I've been wanting to get them to look at. Local tackle shop didn't have them. Tried to get them, couldn't get them. So here's some more. A color they never hit. But I keep on throwing it. All right, now I got some. These little Nico worms look pretty cool too. And they're purple. I don't know what just happened there. I hope I didn't catch these off. Ta-da. That's like the way they're made. So these are the Daiwa SV Concept by Daiwa. And I'm reckoning that Daiwa, which that's their logo there, that's the SV Concept, they must have bought out Gary Yamamoto, because I don't think they owned them before. Or at least they're partnering together or something. Couple new TRD colors. There's a smelt, molten crawl. It's got dark on that side. Boom. Okay. Game changer. Let me tell you, that's gonna be good. Look at that. Shiner, Scented Curly Tails. Imagine a curly tail that lasts forever. That's the idea. And then a little dark color, because you never know. So this is a red shad. A little red and black. I kind of like the look of it. Savage Gear Ned Salamanders. I should have opened some of these up beforehand. It's hard to do this with one hand. For any of y'all would have done it. You know what I mean. I bought a couple Savage Gear things. Some of them worked out alright, some of them ain't. I don't think I've tried their soft plastic before. That's what this one is here. But look at that beast. It's supposed to be buoyant. Got a little place there for your hook. Sit in. I mean, I think it looks alright. A lot of these lures catch fishermen, even if they don't catch fish. Yeah, some mud bug. And green pumpkin chartreuse tail. I will say this tail is almost a see-through tail. And the green pumpkin is a darker color than I expected. So, man, that's a big and secret right there. But we'll see how they work. Again, they're made out of Lazatex, so hey, they'll last forever and whatnot. Anywho, that's my haul from Tackle Warehouse. Some things I bought to try that probably didn't really have to have, but I like new stuff. Anyways, appreciate y'all watching. Try to do better next time.